Hello, this is Kamal Vyas, your Scrum guide. Imagine a company using artificial intelligence to make important decisions like hiring people. Resumes flow in, the AI scans them in seconds, and decisions come out fast. But something goes wrong. The AI starts rejecting the right candidates. Strong profiles, relevant experience, good potential rejected. And when the hiring manager asks why, there is no clear answer. The system made the call, but no one understands the reasoning. In this new series on AI governance, let's dive deep into this topic. That's where AI governance comes in. AI governance simply means setting rules, processes, and responsibilities to make sure AI systems are safe, fair, and trustworthy. It defines who is accountable, how decisions are monitored, and what limits the system must follow. In simple terms, it's about controlling how AI behaves inside an organization. Not controlling people, not slowing innovation, but putting clear boundaries around automated decisions. Think of it as guardrails for AI, so it supports human goals instead of quietly working against them. Today, organizations are rapidly adopting AI everywhere. In hiring, AI screens resumes. In finance, it flags transactions. In healthcare, it supports diagnosis and prioritize cases. This adoption is happening fast, often faster than processes can keep up. But without governance, AI can quickly become risky. Small errors scale fast, hidden assumptions spread across teams. That's why AI governance is no longer optional. It's essential for any organization using AI in real decisions that affect people, money, or trust. Let's look at some real risks. First, bias. AI can unfairly fair or reject certain groups based on patterns it learned from past data. Second, privacy. Sensitive personal or business data can be exposed, reused, or misinterpreted without proper controls. Third, wrong decisions. AI can confidently produce incorrect outcomes, and those errors can impact real lives. A candidate loses an opportunity. A customer gets rejected. A patient is deprioritized. These risks are not theoretical, they are real, and they are already happening in organizations today. Now, here's an important distinction many teams miss. AI development is about building the system, writing code, training models, improving accuracy and performance. It focuses on making AI work. AI governance is about controlling and guiding that system after and while it works. It asks different questions. Who owns the decision? How is the performance monitored over time? What happens when the system is wrong? One creates AI, the other ensures it behaves responsibly in the real world. As AI becomes more powerful, the risks also grow. System becomes more complex, more automated, and harder to explain. Organizations that ignore AI governance are taking a serious risk, not just technical risk but reputational, legal, and human risk. If we want AI to work for us and not quietly against us, we must govern it responsibly. In the next video, we will discuss key risks in AI system.